I'm making a little simple, everyday Italian dressing to keep in the fridge. This is a great tip all week long, especially if I'm always cooking for just a couple of people. You too, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
So make a base salad that you love. This is just greens with fresh fennel and red onion. And I keep that in a dish or in a sack in the fridge. I keep the dressing separate in a little mason jar and just dress what you need for a couple of days.
That's good, yeah.
And you don't have to make a salad every couple of days.
Make the most out of it.
So right in our little mason jar, a fat squirt of Dijon mustard, what my family calls everyday vinegar, so wine vinegar, white or red. A little bit of dried ingredients, a little parsley, a little oregano or marjoram, a little granulated onion, a little granulated garlic. They like to go everywhere together. A little red pepper.
A little heat.
A little heat. A little black pepper too, hits a different place on your tongue. A little salt, over the shoulder for luck. And a little squirt of something sweet. This is Italian acacia honey.
Wow.
Whenever you're adding olive oil to a dressing, you want about a 3-to-1 ratio. If you use 2 tablespoons of acid, in this case a wine vinegar, you're going to add triple that of your fat, in this case EVOO, a little olive oil. Give it a shake.
Wow, look at that.
And that's it. You keep this in the fridge separate, use it as you need it all the time.